Hi everyone, my name is Arvin Olano and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, nobody asked, but in today's video, I thought we could go shopping and we are going to IKEA. Now, I don't own any large furniture pieces from IKEA, but these curtains right behind me are from IKEA. I thought we would just go around, see what they have available, and I'm gonna give you my real and honest thoughts and recommendations of things that I thought would be worth your money. Now, you know I keep it real with you guys. If I like something, I say so, and if I don't, I will for sure let you know. Okay, I'm gonna link everything that I like down below in the description box, and let's go ahead and go to IKEA. Okay, you guys, we are inside and my anxiety is already through the roof. There's so many people in here, and also my cart doesn't have a drink holder, so I'm trying to keep an eye out on my team. I am here in the bedding section and I spotted some linen looking pieces. This is Gulved, and how much is she? $12.99, but I love kind of the natural color, kind of like a mushroom. Reminds me of my Crate and Barrel bedding. Obviously, I don't think this is linen. Yeah, this is polyester, but it has the look, so love that. Oh my god, absolutely not. If your bedding looks anything like this, please take it out. No, no, no. Okay, so the easiest way to make your bedding look super cheap is when you use large and super colorful prints. Absolutely not. Okay, I will say this little sconce moment is not bad. $59.99. Sodersvig? These names are so extra, I love it. Kind of very mid-century actually, this moment. Okay, so I made it here in the textiles section, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly the curtains that I have in my studio. I think it's around here somewhere. So these are the curtains that I have in my studio. Marit, and I have the longer one. This is the 98-inch in length, but I have the 118, and I used 4 different panels to create a really full look. I love when you get that really nice pleated effect. It just looks so high-end and so luxe. So the Marit style is in grommets, but I would also do something with like the hooks to give it that pinch pleat effect. And the Marit is also like kind of room darkening. So if you don't need that, this could be a good option. It feels really nice and high quality. I think it's called Lenda. So this style is Lenda. Oh my gosh, only $24.99 for a set of 2 panels. Not bad, and the length to 98 inches. Wow, do you see the texture? So good. Oh my gosh, I have never actually looked through the rug section here at IKEA. Oh my gosh. Should I do the rug show here too? Girl. Okay, let me see if they have any that are hanging. Oh my gosh, do you guys see this little rug corner? You guys, I have to look in here. Oh my gosh. That's so cute. It's too yellow, but I love like the rug print. Girl. Wow, look at this patchwork moment, you guys. It looks so vintage. I am so shocked. What in the world? These look like vintage Turkish rugs, you guys. Oh my gosh. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? The quality. The quality. This is $449. So freaking good, you guys. Wow. Okay, so they are in fact 100% wool. $599 for almost like a 5x8 kind of weird sizes, but so nice. Look at that. So look at these pillow covers. They're super stiff. They're made of 100% wool. So good. It's the style Bocarve, and it's $34.99. Look how neutral this one is, though. Oh my gosh. The only thing is it is very stiff, so this is just meant for decor for sure. Each one is different. If you have like a boho kind of vibe, how stunning. Oh, you guys, can you tell I am so shook at the rug section here? I'm so tempted to get one. The only thing is they're too small. I'm looking for something like 8 by 10 or even larger for the studio. Yeah, I don't see anything that's large enough, unfortunately. Oh my gosh, this is the basket that everybody has. Flatus, and she is only... She doesn't have a price, you guys. But don't get her. Everyone has her. Okay, this collection isn't bad. His name is Hector, and this big pendant is only $59.99. I could see 2 of these hanging in a kitchen if you're on a budget, but it looks so high-end because it's huge, you guys. Even this task lamp is really nice, too. Okay, I'm digging her, Astrid, only $19.99. I really am drawn to the brass, but I don't see any more of her in stock. Oh, I'm so sad, you guys. They have the silver, but we don't want silver, I want black. Or I mean brass. Here's another lamp that everybody has. Don't get this one, she's basic. Okay, I've seen these before, and I love these paper lamps, you guys. Super affordable, and it just gives me Leanne Ford Interiors vibes. Very Scandinavian, and so chic in the right space to add that light, bright, and airiness to your room. $14.99, oh my gosh. I wish they had one that was like super massive to make a statement. Oh, wow. These basket lamps? How good is this? And they're huge. Oh my gosh. Okay, they are huge and so affordable. Okay, look at this pendant light next to the cart. They are amazing. Wow. Again, I could see this as a statement light in a kitchen. Actually, my friend Brandy has them in hers, and they look so good. Hi, Brandy, if you're watching. And how much are they? $39.99. Are you kidding me? So affordable. Oh, hello. I like her. Oh, that shape is so chic. Oh. Okay, the shape of this chair, you guys, is so nice. I wonder how much it is. I don't see a price, but I love, love, love the shape. I made it to the candle section, and I'm actually quite interested in trying a few of these and see how they work. Let me see if they have anything large with multiple wicks, and I don't see anything. Oh, this is cute. Look at these little mushroom lamps. These are giving me major 70s vibes. Oh, you put a candle inside and have it light up. Oh my gosh, so cute. This is really cute, this little ceramic candle holder. Super chic and only $4.99. I could see a few of these arranged for a table, for a nice little tablescape moment. They even have these black iron, very simple candle holder too. I like that as well. I could see this with like a linen cover and adding the black to give it that contrast. Okay, it looks like these are the biggest candles that they have. For $5.99, so cheap. So they have vanilla. What else? Is that it? I guess that's it. Okay, I feel like I'm missing a whole section. Maybe there was like an upstairs where they have the showrooms, but I'm gonna be honest, I'm really just like not impressed with a lot of the things here. So IKEA was kind of a bust, I'm not gonna lie. I just wasn't feeling anything in there, and I honestly thought I was gonna go around the entire store, but it was so hot in there. There was no air circulation whatsoever, so of course my hot flashes were, whew, it was acting up, you guys, so I couldn't stay in there much longer. But I am determined to show you guys some more home decor today, so I am actually here in the World Market parking lot. I haven't been here in about a year, honestly, and hopefully there's some good stuff in there, and let's just go and take a look. By the way, the mask already took off my makeup for the day, so great. Okay, you guys, we made it inside. So right next to the rug section, they have some florals, some faux florals, and I am eyeing something down here that looks really, really pretty. Look at these organic shape glass vessels. Look how stunning that is. Wow. I have something like this at home, this larger one. Great shape, good for pampas or some faux stems. Stunning. Ooh, sea glass. Oh, that'd be cute to finish off like a pot. Put that on top. Cute. Okay, you guys, wow, they have faux pampas grass here and they are huge. How much is she? Okay, that's a little expensive, $24.99 for a stem, but it is quite fluffy. Let me actually show you what it looks like inside a vessel. Okay, trying to avoid people. Okay, so I grabbed this vessel just to show you guys what this is gonna look like. I am actually so impressed with this pampas, you guys. Wow. And how good does it look? I know it's a faux pampas, but it looks so good. I love how tall these stems are. Again, $24.99 each. I'm gonna link them down below because these are great, you guys, wow. I've seen this kind of gold speckled cowhide before. I don't know if it was here or like someone's Instagram, but absolutely not. This is horrendous, you guys. No, no, no. I'm actually determined to find a new rug today for our laundry area. My sister accidentally spilled some stuff on our Rizzy Home runner. It was one of my favorite finds from Home Goods, you guys, an $800 runner, and it's ruined. So I need something different, and wow, this is pretty. Does this come in a runner? Because that's really, really nice. Very neutral. Look at that. So this is the Lexington Persian style rug. It's made of cotton, but it has the look of a hand woven rug. Hi there, question for you.
Yes,
does this come in a runner?
No. It
No?
does not.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
Does it come in a bigger size?
So it has to be bought online.
Got it, okay.
Yeah, that's as big a size we'll carry.
I see, okay.
So, okay.
Good to know, thank you. This one here too is very pretty. This is the Monroe ivory and black striped cotton rug, and wow, I am so impressed with the quality of this rug. I'm gonna link all of my recommendations down below. This could be so nice for like a living room. It's so neutral and so my vibes, wow. Look at that texture. Ooh, clearance sale. What is that? Mia's dining chair. $67, you guys, are you kidding? That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, if I can find these online, I'm gonna link them for you because they are so, so nice. Okay, I'm loving this little bistro accent table. Look at the details. It has a little bit of a Parisian look to it. It's $169.99. But you guys, it's stunning. Wow, that's a good one. Okay, I'm enjoying this little velvet love seat. It's a tufted love seat in the color camel, $399. I normally don't do any velvet in my home, but if you do just a touch of velvet and do it in a neutral color, it would be so classic and timeless. I will say their home decor section isn't the best here. Ooh, I do like their food section though. They have some really good like Asian desserts and snacks, but we are not here for that today, but doesn't hurt to look. Okay, I love this section here. These super chic aesthetic reed diffusers. I'm thinking about driftwood, and I'm thinking about these too. I just love how simple these are. How much are you? So $16.99 for this driftwood diffuser. Okay, everybody, I think I'm gonna end the shopping trip right here. There really wasn't much today that I wanted to take home. I've been very selective with my home decor choices. You would know if you've been watching my videos for a little... Oh. You would know if you've been watching my videos for a while now that I am now very careful with what I bring into the home. The only thing that I'm really considering is that rug from World Market, which is stunning, but it's not coming in a runner. So I'm kind of out of luck today, but I hope you enjoyed this video anyways. Everything that I loved and recommend to buy will be down below in the description box. Let me know if you want me to do any other specific stores, and I would love to do a shop with you. Someone calling me? And I would love to do a... Oh, my Lola's calling me, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone. Hi, Lola.
Hello.